hurricane season is less than a month away, and today Florida's Director of Emergency Management was in Fort Myers just making sure counties are ready.
Forecasters are predicting an extremely active hurricane season with 20 to 25 named storms, 8 to 12 hurricanes, 4 to 7 of them major. These predictions are above average because of warm water temperatures and El Nino transitioning to La Nina. NBC2's Dave Elias is questioning emergency managers to find out what the state is doing to prepare.
It's hard to believe now we're just about 3 weeks out from the official kickoff of hurricane season. Today, the Florida Department of Emergency Management Director Kevin Guthrie was here in Lee County meeting with emergency management officials from several counties. The warning and the takeaway here today is for folks to get ready.
We want you to be prepared for 7 days.
That means begin stocking up now on food and supplies.
June 1st through the 14th is the tax preparedness holiday.
This year, a second tax-free holiday runs from August 24th through September 6th. Collier County says it will be able to stockpile more this year after building a 28,000 square foot storage facility.
Will give us some capability for some early delivery of supplies and equipment to the community while these other resources are inbound.
And Lee County says that it is already looking for additional shelter sites.
Any type of parking lots, vacant buildings as a staging area. I mean, that's part of our plans, and we always look at that.
During Ian, Lee County used an old North Fort Myers Publix as a shelter. Guthrie predicts an even bigger site could be needed for the next storm.
I imagine this will happen. Next storm that comes off the Gulf, you're probably going to have a over-evacuation, honestly, because of what Hurricane Ian did.
He says that the state is also contracting with companies to transport goods into the state.
Barges, planes, helicopters, trucking is another one that we're doing now.
And finally, he says everyone should download the Alert Florida app specific to your county.
Yes, we are going to send you alerts. In a disaster, it's going to be a lot of alerts. But we want to make sure that you're getting the verified, vetted information.
And he suggests making sure that your tank is always full of fuel. And he says know your evacuation route and your home's wind rating. Certainly a lot of information to digest here. And we, of course, will place it on our NBC2 News app. You can go there to read more. In Lee County, Dave Elias, NBC2.